The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. A beloved icon of Singapore and Malaysia, chili crab is a messy, hands-on feast defined by its legendary sauce. Unlike its name suggests, the heat is gentle. The real magic lies in a rich, glossy blend of sweet and savory flavors. Whole crabs are braised, so their natural juices and creamy tomalley perfume the sauce, which is thickened into silky ribbons with beaten egg. Ideally served with steamed buns to sop up every drop, it is a truly celebratory dish. For the chili base and aromatics: crabs, 3 kilograms, jokrammed, as desired. Cooking oil, 175 milliliters, jokra. Ginger, 60 jokra, peeled and cut into strips, as desired. Garlic, 7 cloves, peeled and sliced, as desired. Shallots, 7 peeled and sliced, as desired. Red chillies, 10, seeded, blended with 105 milliliters water, as desired. Eggs, 5, lightly beaten, as desired. Spring onions, 6, cut into 5 cm lengths, as desired. Coriander leaves, sea figs, cut into 5 cm lengths, as desired. For the sauce: Chinese rice wine, 3 tablespoons, as desired. Chili sauce, 3 tablespoons, as desired. Oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons, as desired. Sugar, 4 teaspoons, as desired. Light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, as desired. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon, as desired. Ground white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Clean and cut the crabs. Clean the crabs thoroughly under running water. Dislocate the pincers, then crack them with a pestle so the shells are easier to break open and the meat absorbs the sauce. Trim the legs and quarter each crab. If you have a fishmonger who will clean and cut the crabs for you, ask them to reserve the creamy tomalley inside the top shell. It adds a wonderful savory depth to the sauce. Pro tip B: if live crabs are not available, frozen crab clusters work well, and Dungeness crab is a great substitute outside Asia. For the best flavor, use crabs that haven't been pre-cooked. 2. Prep the aromatics. Peel the ginger and cut it into fine strips. Peel and slice the garlic cloves, and peel and slice the shallots. Having everything ready before the wok is hot is essential. This dish comes together very quickly. 3. Make the chili puree. Seed the red chilies, removing the seeds tames the heat, then blend them with the 125 milliliters of water to a smooth, pourable puree. Set aside. 4. Beat the eggs and cut the greens. Lightly beat the 5 eggs in a small bowl. Cut the spring onions into 5 cm lengths and the coriander leaves into similar lengths. Keep them near the stove as they are added at the very end. 5. Combine the sauce. In a small bowl, stir together the Chinese rice wine, chili sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and ground white pepper until the sugar dissolves. Having this mixed in advance means everything can be added to the wok in one swift pour. Cooking steps. 1. Fry the aromatics. Heat the cooking oil in a large wok over medium-high heat. Stir-fry the ginger, garlic, and shallots until fragrant, about 1–2 minutes, taking care not to burn them. 2. Cook the chili puree. Add the blended red chilies and fry for 2 minutes, stirring until the puree darkens slightly and turns fragrant and a little oil starts to separate from the paste. 3. Add the crabs. Tip in the prepared crab pieces and stir briskly so every piece is coated in the chili base. Cover the wok and leave to cook for 4–5 minutes. 4. Add the sauce. Uncover, stir briskly, then pour in the combined sauce ingredients, coating the crabs evenly. Cover again briefly if needed so the sauce bubbles around the crab. 5. Finish with the egg. When the crabs are bright red and nearly cooked through, pour the beaten eggs over and gently stir to mix them into the sauce, forming soft ribbons. Add the spring onions and stir to combine. 6. Serve. Pile the crabs onto a large serving platter, pour over every last drop of the glossy sauce, and garnish generously with the coriander. Serve hot, with steamed buns or rice to mop up the sauce.